What if you could turn any sales page into your own commission tool in less than an hour without building a single thing? No landing page, no autoresponder, no funnel, and no cost. Let's be honest. Affiliate marketing should be the easiest way to make money online. You don't create the product, you don't handle support, you don't process payments. You just get paid when someone clicks your link and buys. Simple, right? But here's what actually happens. You're told to build your list. Then you need a landing page, then an autoresponder, then a funnel, then a bonus stack, then software to glue it all together. And before you've made a single dollar, you've wasted $300 on tools, 40 hours on tutorials, and all your motivation. Still no commission. Still no traction. Just overwhelm and regret. It's exhausting. It's confusing. And worst of all, it makes you feel like you're the problem. Like maybe you're just not cut out for this. But you are. You've just been handed the wrong map. So what actually works? What gets you paid without the chaos? The answer is leverage. Not effort, not experience, not expensive tools. Just a smarter way to do affiliate marketing using what's already working. PitchDoc is that smarter way. Instead of building pages or writing emails, you take a product's existing sales page, the one already tested, already converting, already making money, and turn it into your own commission tool with just a few simple tweaks. No tech, no writing, no building, just copy, connect, and click. And because you're not trying to sell anything, you're not pushing, you're guiding, you're giving people what they already want, with your affiliate link baked in. The result? They buy. You earn. The sales page does the heavy lifting, while you collect the commission. It's fast, it's repeatable, and it's probably the simplest way to start making real money online, starting today. We've used this exact method to generate over $227 in 40 minutes from scratch, and over $1,000 in just 3 days. So if you want to skip the hard stuff and go straight to commission, click the button below, or scroll down to see exactly how PitchDoc works, because this might be the first affiliate system that actually works for you.